Hello, welcome to the Marc Fitzhenry Show. On today's show, another thought. As a human individual, are we subject to having thoughts that flow through us that could be our own individual thoughts, or could be a combination of our own specific individual thoughts plus nature's thoughts, Is there a chance, if that is what is going on, that it's a combination, excuse me, that if it's a combination between the two, is it possible that each individual, I'm talking from myself first and foremost, then is in a situation where they have to either deny that they're getting help from the forces of natures that flow through them, or they have to accept it. And accepting it would just be admitting stuff such like, I got really angry at you. I said, I hate you. I don't really mean that I hate you, but the forces of nature took me over at that time. Or I started crying because I loved you so much. And it came out and I was just crying. I couldn't formulate my words. The forces of nature took you over at that time. Or took your individual over at that time. Anyways, point being, could we be in a bit of an opposition for those that are willing to discuss that the forces of nature sometimes take us over, and those that deny that and look down upon anyone that would say that, to the fact that they would discredit them? The Marc Fitzhenry Show.